Working on a Cadillac today, getting all the parts that are left ready for the Sandblaster, because they still got some rust on the outside of these doors. I did the bottoms to evaluate the condition of them, but the problem is it's got rust up here in the top and all around the inside seam. So these things are off to the Sandblaster as soon as the weather permits. And also we did it's a replacement deck lid, because the deck lid that was on it just wasn't usable. But this one is not a DeVille. I mean, it is a DeVille. And the car itself is a Fleetwood, so I've got to weld up the holes and re-drill them. Same with the emblem. The DeVille emblem had different holes, so I got to do that one too.